Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to install Kali Linux on a Windows machine, and I mean Windows and Mac at the same time. It's the same process. So first things first, you want to have VirtualBox downloaded. If you don't, I will leave a timestamp in the description below where you can skip to. So first you want to go to virtual. You just want to search up VirtualBox. Just yeet that in there. Then you want to click on virtualbox.org. Then you want to click on downloads. If you're on a Windows, click on Windows Host. If you're on a Mac, click on OS X Host. And a download should start. It'll ask you quite a few things. I already have it installed. I'm just gonna search up VirtualBox. Yeah, you can see there. Whoa. Once you have that installed, what you want to go to is Kali.org. Kali.org download. Kali.org. Oh wait, no. I'm gonna go to Security. Yeah, zsecurity.org. Yeah, this one. It's gonna take a few seconds to load. Then you want to click on, and then you want to do backslash downloads. I believe. Checking, you dummy. Also here's where I learned my stuff. Here's where I learned my stuff from. I learned my stuff from Udemy. So I'm actually still learning. Clay 2020. Yeah, you want to do zsecurity.org download custom Kali. You want to do that. And there are links if you have a 64-bit computer. Click on link 1 or link 2. If you're on a 32-bit computer, click on link 1 or link 2 here. And then once you have that installed, it's a pretty big package. You just want to slap that tab closed. And then you want to go to your files. Then you want to go to downloads. And then you will see something that is called there will be something if you could find it. If you can actually find it, that's also good because code blah this thing. There's something that is there's like this blue there's this blue box that has the Kali Linux. Yeah, this PC, local disk. Oh, yeah, wrong one. Yeah, you will see something that it says instead of MS Edge Win 10, you will see something that says Kali with this blue box. What you want to do is double click that. Only when you have Oracle VM VirtualBox installed. VirtualBox. And then it'll give you a prompt up here saying that do you want to do that? What I have is the base memory 2048 MB, which in my case is not really a lot. the name and the operating system, you can keep that all the same. The storage, simple. The USB, I don't have any stuff, but once you have that, you wanna slap the start button, and I mean slap it with your mouse. Yeah, and then you will get. You're gonna have this. You wanna click Kali Linux GNU Linux. GNU, and then you wanna see this, and then you're gonna see this thingy, and then you wanna see, and then you'll see that the dragon tail thingy is actually sorta going up slowly. It's actually supposed to be all blue. I'm pretty sure my computer's overheating. There I have that. Now your username is gonna be root. Also, this is the same for everybody. If you change it, it can actually cause internal damage to the system. So you want to do root, password TOOR, and it's gonna be the same for everybody. And it's going to boot itself up in a billion years. It's gonna boot itself up in a billion years if it ever loads. Yeah, now it's booted itself up. As you can see, it is booted up. We have some of the normal stuff like Firefox, Terminator, Qterminal, Files, Metasploit Framework, Burp Suite, Maltego, Beefstart, LeafPad, and all those other things. But to get started with this, we want to go to Firefox ESR. Get out of my life. The security. Yeah, and you want to go to download PyCharm, jetbrains.com. No. You wanna slap in PyCharm. You just want to slap it in there. And then you want to click on this, and then it'll take you to JetBrains PyCharm. Full-fledged, or click on download, and then it's gonna take you to this page. You only need the community for this because it's practically the simple thing. It'll start up in here. I already have it installed, so I'm canceling it. So I'm canceling it. But once you have that, you're gonna have inside your files. Let me close that. You're gonna have something in downloads. And you might be wondering how I did that. I clicked Control L on my keyboard, and then it would take you there. Let me show you. Control L, and then you're gonna search up PyCharm, I believe. Oh yeah, I forgot. Inside you're gonna find. Remember I told you the downloads thingy up here, like around here. You're gonna have to click it, and then it's gonna drop down. And then since I already have it, you wanna click on it, and then it's gonna be ready, and then it's gonna take you to this place. And then it's going to actually take you to it. And then what you want to do is actually right click on it. You want to right click, and then it'll take you there to where it is. As you can see, I have it ready. As you can see, my teacher actually made me do this first. I don't care. Close without saving, and then back. So then you're gonna find something that's called PyCharm. A file. There's a file inside files. Then you wanna right click, and then you wanna copy it like that, but not on Discover Master Zip. you're gonna want to copy it, and then here's where you can follow along with me. Click Control L, backspace, and then you want to do backslash opt backslash. Then it's gonna take you to some place. I already have it in here, so then you want to right click, and then you want to click on paste. I've already pasted it in there, so I don't have to anymore. Then you want to go inside it, and then you want to go bin, and then you will see a ton of crap come up on your screen. A ton of crap come up on your screen if you're inside that much of space for me. And then what you want to do is click on pycharm.sh. That's where we want to go. So you want to have your files open. Because I don't know why, but the tab thingy doesn't actually work anymore. That you're supposed to do, it actually doesn't work anymore. So there I'm gonna have it like that, and then I want to type in cd space backslash opt backslash pycharm dash community dash 2020.1.2, depending on what you have. I have this one. You might be watching this 30 years later, or then you'll have something even more crazy than this, even crazier than it actually is currently. And then what you want to do is backslash bin, and then you want to slap enter. And you want to slap the enter. And then it's going to take you through this entire painful, unnecessary process that you don't actually need. Actually, you do. And then you want to slap in ls. And then you'll see that we want pycharm.sh. And the way we run those is we want to do dot backslash pycharm.sh. And then it's going to say picked up blah blah blah. Picked up underscore Java options. It's going to, as you can see, it runs it. It runs it like a champ. Cancel. As you can see, it does that. I have already open it, close project. But when you start, you're gonna have a ton of configurations. What I chose was I actually chose the Darkula version. I chose the Darkula theme. That's why it's dark. So what you want to do is create new project, but we're gonna do that in the next one. So because really, who wants to listen to an hour-long video of someone jabbering all day? So I'll see you in the next one.